A very happy Mother Bird's Day by Nayera Salam. Quack, quack, where are you? Pat, Timothy, Mac? Mother Duck ran to the park and called again. Quack, quack! Please come back. Mother Duck looked under the weeping willow where Pat, Timothy, and Mac sometimes liked to take a nap. But her ducklings were not there. Miss Buttercup, have you seen my little ones? Asked Mother Duck. No, no, answered the kind cow. I haven't seen Pat, Timothy, or Mac. Be patient, my dear, they'll be back. Now I have to leave and head to the farm. Goodbye and good luck, Mother Duck. And Miss Buttercup walked away. Mr. Harris, have you seen my ducklings? Quacked Mother Duck. Nay, nay, sorry to say, I haven't seen them, answered the big chestnut horse. Please excuse me, but I have errands to run. Goodbye and good luck, Mother Duck. And Mr. Harris trotted away. Sweet Miss Glinda, have you seen Pat, Timothy, and Mac? Mother Duck cried. There, there, sorry, answered Miss Glenda, the bearded goat with a shiny black coat. I haven't seen them. Good luck, Mother Duck. I have to rush to the barn. And Miss Glinda walked away. Good afternoon, Mama Carla. My ducklings are missing. Can you help me find them? Pleaded Mother Duck. Oink, oink, grunted Mama Carla. Sorry, but I'm in a hurry. My stomach is growling and I need a snack before my little piglets wake up from their nap. Don't worry, my dear. Your ducklings will be back. Goodbye and good luck, Mother Duck. And Mama Carla walked away. Dr. Abbott, I'm looking for Pat, Timothy, and Mac, said Mother Duck with a loud quack. I saw them an hour ago in the park, Mother Duck, said Dr. Benjamin Abbott, the wise gray rabbit. The park? I went there, but I didn't see them. It's getting dark, and my ducklings aren't back. What can I do, Duck? Calm down, Mother Duck, said the wise doctor. Go back to your nest, drink some water, and have a good rest. Your little ducklings will be home soon. Now, if you'll excuse me, Mrs. Abbott has been waiting for me since noon. And Dr. Benjamin Abbott, the wise gray rabbit, hopped away. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy! We're back, said Pat, Timothy, and Mac with a joyful quack. We're here. We have a surprise for you. A cheese cracker from Pat, another cheese cracker from Timothy, and a stale whole wheat bun from Mac. My favorite snack, cried Mother Duck with joy. I couldn't ask for more. Where did you find these yummy treats? In the park, under the picnic table by the creek, said the ducklings. Cluck, cluck. Happy Mother's Day, Mother Duck, clucked Ginger, the gentle red hen, as she walked through the door with her 5 chicks, Goldie, Pepper, Larry, Abby, and Frederick. We left the pen, clucked the gentle red hen. We wanted to celebrate this very special day with you. My chicks surprised me with some wonderful treats. Green peas, cabbage leaves, corn, 2 wiggly worms from Mrs. Glover's garden, and lots of sunflower seeds. What a cheery feast! Mother Duck and Ginger had a long and friendly cluck and quack bird chat, while the little ones played chick and duckling clickety-clack games. It's getting late. It's almost 8:30. We have to go back to the pen, clucked Ginger, the gentle red hen. We had a great time, Mother Duck. Sleep well. Quack, quack, cluck, cluck, beep, beep. It was a joyous Mother Bird's day.